Alright, so my coffee machine has stopped working. And when I try and push water out of it, makes a really loud noise, and no coffee comes through the handle. So what that probably means is that the pump is broken. It's been going for quite a while, this machine, so this is the pump here. So I'll take that out and replace it. Bought this coffee machine for 20 bucks because they thought it was completely broken. Turns out the filter just needed cleaning. So it's a bit more of a frig than I expected. I'm going to have to take these two screws off just to sort of get it out and get a hold of it and have a look at it. Alright, now both feet are free. I can get the screwdriver in to get these two screws. This is the pump, this is the heating coil. We're all unplugged. Pretty simple thing, really. Coffee machine. Alright, so I'm here and this thing's sort of sliding. So I think maybe I pop this rubber off and pull it off. Either that or that thing doesn't really look like it comes to pieces. A little bit worried about maybe damaging this when I take it off. Came off nicely. Oh shit, I hope this isn't the heating coil. That's the pump. Shit. So I just had a little Google, and this is the motor. This is the pump. That is the heating element because it felt hot, you know. Look at all the bloody wires and elements and things in it. But yeah, this is a vibratory motor, a pump. So there must be some sort of metal in here, and this looks like a coil of wire to me. And so that must shake the sort of one-way valve backwards and forwards. Yeah, bloody fascinating. So I'll go order a new one of these. Alright, so here we are. This is our part. Genuine part made in Heidelberg. Old Germany. Oh no, Heidelberg, Victoria. Gee. Alright, so I'm not quite sure how this bit attaches, but you know, 30 bucks for a new coffee machine. Pretty good. Or a working coffee machine.